Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate legal analytics with Premonition, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin automating legal analytics with Premonition, start by signing up for a Premonition account on their official website. Once you have created your account, log into the dashboard to access the analytics tools. Familiarize yourself with the main features offered on the dashboard. Choose the specific type of legal data you want to analyze, such as case outcomes, attorney performance, or judge analytics. Use the search bar to input relevant queries based on your chosen legal data type. Select the filters to narrow down your search, including jurisdiction, court type, and date range. Review the results displayed on the screen, which will show a comprehensive list of relevant cases. To automate this process, navigate to the automation settings located within your account profile. Create a new automation task by selecting the relevant parameters and data types you wish to track. Set up a schedule for how often you want the analytics to run, such as daily, weekly, or monthly. Configure notifications to alert you of any significant changes or updates in the data. Test the automation task to ensure it runs smoothly and captures the desired information. Once confirmed, save the task and monitor its performance through the dashboard. Regularly review your automated reports to derive insights and make informed legal decisions. Stay updated with any new features or improvements in Premonition that can enhance your analytics capabilities. Utilize the support resources provided by Premonition if you encounter any issues during this process. By following these steps, you can efficiently automate legal analytics and streamline your legal research workflow with Premonition. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.